Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to add memes to your video using CapCut. So let's start. So first let's go to the project. In this case I will open this project. So now let's wait until the project is open. And now you have to go to the options that we have down and let's select overlay. Just select this and click here. Let's select this one. I don't want to. Then select add overlay and just select the pictures that you want or the GIF. In this case I want to this one, just add. Here you can see. Then just select the picture, and well, if you have the premium package here, you can add the effect that says remove background. In my case I don't have it. As you can see, it's not appear here available, so I can use it. But if you have it, just press this button and add a chroma key that appears here, and you will delete the background for your meme. It appears here in your video, and well, in that case you can do it without any problem, but you need to have the premium package here on CapCut. So well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.